Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make journal ledger and trial balance in Excel. First, let's set up our journal. Create columns for date, account, debit, and credit. For every transaction, you will identify the accounts involved and whether they increase or decrease. Remember, debits must always equal credits for each entry. This foundational step ensures your financial records remain balanced from the very beginning. We will use simple formulas to sum these entries later. Now, let's move our journal entries into the ledger. Think of the ledger as a collection of individual accounts, like cash or accounts payable. For each account, create a separate section in your Excel sheet. You will transfer all the debit amounts from your journal to the debit side of the corresponding ledger account, and all credit amounts to the credit side. This process organizes all transactions by account, making it easier to see individual balances. With our ledger accounts balanced, it's time to prepare the trial balance. This crucial step lists every account and its final balance, either a debit or a credit. Create two columns, one for debit balances and one for credit balances. You will then sum up all the debit balances and all the credit balances separately. The fundamental rule here is that these two totals must be exactly equal, providing a preliminary check of your accounting accuracy. Congratulations, you've created your trial balance. This document is a vital internal report. If your total debits equal your total credits, it confirms the mathematical accuracy of your journal entries and ledger postings. If they don't match, it signals an error that needs investigation. The trial balance is not a financial statement itself, but it is the essential stepping stone for generating your income statement and balance sheet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.